So how to fix and send messages in your messenger. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then click on the apps manager. When you click on the apps on this page, you will find every single app that you have on your phone. Click on messenger right here and then click on force stop. When you click on force stop, now all what you want to do next is go to the storage. This is the internal storage of the app, as you can see. Click on clear cache and then click on clear data. Go back, click on data usage right here. On this option you will find all the network access. All what you want to do is very simple. Just enable all these options right here. Go back, click on the power usage details and click down here on this force stop. And now what you want to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.